Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fold a single sheet of paper into a little 14-page book. So we're going to use your drawing from last time. The drawing has the lines that show movement on it. One of the important things for the folding of the book later is that there is drawing on every part of the front. So if you have any empty places, you might want to go ahead and just draw in some little echo lines to make sure that everything is filled up on your paper. That way you won't have any trouble in the next step figuring out where to fold and glue. So what we're going to do is take the paper face down and we're just going to fold it in half. And this is where I hear a lot of kids say, I'm not good at that. Well, okay, that's all right. You don't have to be good at it the first time. The idea is to learn. So one of the tricks I like to use is just line up your points on the side or your corners on the side. And then kind of walk your fingers into the middle, like right here. And then take your other hand and go straight down from the middle and out. And out. And that helps the corners stay lined up. You can take your fingernail and kind of crease that if you want to. And then we're going to unfold it. And this side, we're going to go up to the middle crease. Same thing, just kind of hold in the middle, crease out, flip it over, do the same thing again. So notice that I'm not double folding, so I'm not leaving it folded and then folding it again. That's harder. This paper is kind of stiff. So if you just do one fold at a time, it's going to be easier. Then you're going to flip it and do it the other way. So line up those corners, hold it in the middle, bring your finger down and out from the middle. And fold it. And then you're just going to do that step again. So when you're finished, you're going to have 16 little squares. All right. Then the next step is going to be to cut. So to cut it, I think it's helpful to draw a line where you want to cut just so that you don't get confused. So you're going to lay your paper long ways, okay? So each little rectangle is longer than it is tall, not like that, like this. And then in the first set, my camera up a little bit so you can see this better. In the first step, you're gonna take a pencil, or you could use your marker if you want to, and trace over the fold. This is just so that you know where to cut. So we're gonna cut this fold, and then in the middle, it's gonna be like that. So 1, 2, 3 down, 1, 2, 3 up, and on this one, 1, 2, 3 sections down. And that way you just have a visual on where you're supposed to cut. Then you're just gonna take your scissors and really neatly cut right on that fold. And the closer you can cut on the fold, the better it's going to be. And you're gonna stop when you get to the end of your line. So right there. So this section is not cut. We do the same thing on the other two. So just carefully, and then make sure that you stop precisely at that fold. Last one. I didn't do a very neat job of drawing over those folds because I was trying to hurry, but the neater you do this part, the better your little book is gonna look. So now you've got your cuts like this. So it kind of looks like a giant letter M, okay? And that's the folding and cutting step. Next video, I'll show you how to glue it.